Okay, good morning. It's Sunday morning here. I'm just going to give you a really short video on the different types of basil or basil or whatever you want to call it, and topping them, and how important it is to top them, because first and foremost, not just to make them a bushier plant, but to keep the flavor inside the basil or the basils. You don't want it to be going into seed or anything like that. So you top them regularly. So say you've just bought one in, or you've grown one from seed, or somebody has given you one, and for instance, we have sweet basil here, or sweet basil. You see this one? It's not very old. It was grown from a cutting. This is a Genovese. I actually got them from I got the seeds from Italy a few years ago, and this is the exact same clone of it. So this one has got a head here, and a head here, and a head here, and I'm going to give this a massive cutting back, right? So I'm going to cut down, as long as you leave about 8 or 9 leaves on it, it's fine. I'm going to cut this one here. So I'm taking off this. Now when you take off this here, of course you can use this. So that's for your pizza. And this one, these smaller ones where have only 2 true leaves out of the branch, I'll just cut the center out of them. You can pluck them with your finger if you like. But and this one where the head, this is where they start to go to seed. I will do this very same here. I will just take out the very center. Now that's for the Genovese, or the other Florentino and all the other Italian sweet basils. So we'll take that out. Now that's fine, we just leave that, and you see it looks a little bit sad, but it's okay. You could even cut down further if you want to. What's going to happen now is we're going to have branches growing out. You can see there will be branches coming. This one branched already. Now if you have a bad leaf on the bottom, don't leave the leaves on the bottom, just chop them off. Make sure you leave leaves on it, because you need photosynthesis on the plant, so you need to leave the leaves on it. Now we'll move over to this. Is well, this one, it needs a bit of it needs to take the weeds out of it. I grew these from seed. This is Thai basil, or Thai basil, and this is lovely. Smells lovely. I prefer this than this one. Now you can put this into curry. Now this is a little bit leggy, you can see. So pull the weeds out of it. I have 1,000 of them there. Now you can see where the branches it's coming out already themselves. I'll show you over here. So they're already, so to help them along, you can either cut this top one. Because this is leggy, I might cut it down here. No, I'll just cut this one here. I'll just cut this one here. And there's 2 branches coming out here. That will stop it growing up the middle now. So more branches, these branches will come out better. Now, so Holy Basil, this is a much more compact and slower growing one. I will go in close with you to see that. Now there is little branches coming out, so it's probably not ready for doing yet, but I will just cut the middle out of it. Just a little growing shoot there, like that. Just cut it like that. And then that's all you do. But it's not all you do. You do this again and again and again and again, and your plant will come out like all wide, like your plant will be big and wide like this, you know. It'll come out and you'll put this into a bigger pot. You take out the growing shoots, keep doing that. If there's a bad leaf on it, cut it off. You might got a bit of too much sun. It's very hard to give it too much sun, basil, but basil loves the sun, or basil loves the sun, or basil loves the sun, and I can put it even in the full sun here in the Philippines. So here there are 3 topped. So we would call them topping if you're doing it in hot peppers. We call it topping, or plucking out the growing shoots or whatever, and they're pruned, and then that's good for a while longer, and in another week this will be wider like this. So I'll have more videos coming out soon on this second. This is our second channel, and I will be showing you how to grow all these from seed, and with many, basically all the herbs in the book. many herbs I will be showing you how to grow them, or herbs for American friends. We will be showing you how to grow these from seed. It's so easy to grow from seed. You can teach your children how to grow them. We're showing you oregano, marjoram and all those as well. So thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe to this new channel.